Hi, my name is Bill Coleman, Regional Manager at Midland Asphalt Materials, part of the Pavement Preservation Division at Barrett Industries. Our corporate office is in Tonawanda, New York, near Buffalo. Our main areas of operation are Central New York and Western New York, and all of Pennsylvania, excluding the metropolitan areas of Philadelphia and Pittsburgh. We produce asphalt emulsions, polymer modified asphalt, and we supply that PMA and neat liquid to the New York Central and New York North regions. There are multiple processes that we perform, such as Nova Chip, where we have 3 working full-time crews, chip sealing, where we have 7 chip spreaders, along with 2 fiber mat machines, and 25 distributors and 25 support trucks, tractors to haul the emulsion. We also do cold mix paving, full depth reclamation, and crack seal. As part of the Pavement Preservation Division, we feel we offer a unique opportunity to share our services with Barrett and the other regions. So if at any point you have any questions about our processes, please feel free to come talk to myself or anyone from the Midland team.